Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Helmuts and I'm the founder of HostMaria, and this is another tutorial of HostMaria.com on how you can check what email address was used when you were creating your WordPress website. And it will help you know to which email to send the password request. Okay, so let us dive in. In this case, this tutorial is for the StackCP dashboard, though for most dashboards it will be the same as we are talking WordPress and databases. So let us dive in. Let me prepare the screens, and here we go. And removing this one. Bang. Okay. So what we have, I have created a website. It is HostMaria demo.com, and we have also, just in case to make things more complicated, I have created a subdomain, v2 or version 2, hostmariademo.com. Okay, so we have two websites, and here is your StackCP dashboard. And let us say you are trying to log into your hostmariademo.com. Okay, this is the email I have created, and you are trying something else. Nothing is working. You are going lost your password, and then you are going some email at gmail.com. You are trying to reset your password, and you are unable to reset your password, and you are thinking, hey, what is going on? How can I access my old WordPress website? So now what you do? First things first, let us go into your StackCP dashboard, and you will need to find the database. First of all, you need to know which database you need to work with. And don't worry, it is not complicated. So number one, the database information is hidden or written in the file that is called wp-config.php. We need to find this file, and first of all, as we have two websites, some of you might have 50, 100, 200 websites. Now let us find where the file is. So you need to go to the section domains, and find in which folder you have you have the files of that particular domain. If these are domain names, then this is HostMaria is at demo at public HTML, and in the case of subdomains, v2 is in the document root v2. So let us go back, and let us find the both folders. File manager, you'll be at the file manager, and here we can see this is for the subdomain, and this is for the public HTML. If you'll have 50, 100 domains and 50, 100, 100 folders, again, it will be that easy to find them. So now we know we need to go into public HTML. Now here is WP config. Okay, let me go like this and code edit. And now we need to find the database name. Here is the database name. Okay, so we copy it, and this is the database name for this website. Now what we need to go, where we need to go? We need to go into MySQL databases. Some of you will have two databases. So this is the server name. This is the server name. In cPanel's cases, many cases, if you have cPanel, you will see localhost, but you need to find the database name, and this is the database name. So we are looking for this database and sign in. Now, when we are signed in the database, we'll see there are many tables. The larger is the website, the more plugins it uses, it will have more and more and more different tables. Sometimes you will even have 2-3 pages of tables. So what you need to find is find the one that ends options. The start can be different. It can be WP _ options. It can be B7, A2, lots of different variations. So where you need to go is into options table, and here you will, this is the main place where you will find the information about the database to which website it belongs. So we can see admin email is here. So we have found the admin email. We can see that the URL both URLs are here. So this database applies to this domain name, to this website, and this is the admin. So you have found the admin email. That is it. That is it. And I really hope tutorials like these help you. And this was a tutorial on how you can find your WP's or WordPress's admin's email. And now when you have that email address, when you know that email address, you are able to reset it. Okay, you reset the password. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.